Hi, I'm Jessica from Your Way, and I'm excited to share how you can upload files directly into Beans and Assistant's chat threads, unlocking deeper analysis and more personalized support. Let's take a look. I'll start by uploading a novel study unit plan into an Ask Beans chat to ask questions tailored to my students' needs. To do this, go to the Beans chat and click the plus icon labeled Upload a File. From there, select your file. Once your file is uploaded, you can interact with Beans referencing your file to get detailed, specific planning support and insights. Multiple file types are supported, including picture files, PDFs, and PowerPoints. You can upload files in Assistants too. Simply open a chat, click the plus icon, and upload your file to receive focused, context-aware responses. There's no limit to the number of files you can upload across conversations. Need to revisit a previous chat? Just navigate to the conversation threads on the right-hand side of the screen. Now that you've seen how to upload files, give it a try at YourWay.app. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with your colleagues.